Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. So today I would like to present our proposed project to EREKA Reka Cipta Unimap 2023 with the title Enhanced Wireless End-to-End IoT Hydroponic System. So we are from University Technical Malaysia Melaka with our collaborators from Telkom University Indonesia and University Malaysia Perlis. To begin with, we would like to introduce this project is a Corporate Social Responsibility Project CSR between our university and Pertubuhan Kebajikan Villa Harapan. So this both party agreed to develop an automatic hydroponic system for senior citizens at their healthcare. To begin with, the senior citizen and disabled person face difficulty on doing their household work and hobbies by themselves. Thus, this is require a helper to help them in order to complete their tasks. Secondly, overspend donation money on purchasing vegetable for senior citizen at the care place provides a waste. And finally, the normal residents and facilities commonly built in Malaysia faces the Wi-Fi coverage limitation based on their structure and architecture plan. So this will be invite a dead zone of Wi-Fi if we are standing at this area. So from this problem, basically we set 3 goals or 3 objectives to be focused on in order to complete this project. First, design and develop automatic hydroponic monitoring system. To do this, we are targeting to directly transfer data wirelessly from this node to node 1 to node A to solve the problem of no Wi-Fi coverage. So imagine that the node number A with no Wi-Fi at all and number 2 with Wi-Fi zone. So we try to communicate the data from node number 1 to number 2. So the third objective is basically to connect the zone number 3 or node number 2 with the IoT KN platform via this Wi-Fi connection provided. So this image shows the real layout of the Pertubuhan Kebajikan Villa Harapan in Melaka, whereby the orange square area describe the dead zone of Wi-Fi coverage, while the south region of the layout represented the Wi-Fi zone. We faced these difficulties because we wanted to locate this project in this area whereby we have the amount of space to build product. So this is the product prototype diagram. As we mentioned earlier in the objective, we have 2 main areas to be designed, whereby one of them is node 1 for transmitter and the other one is node 2 for transceiver. In node 1 as a transmitter, whereby there will be no Wi-Fi zone located in this orange area. So in node number 1, pH, humidity and temperature will be observed and analyzed accordingly in order to make the relay and the sensor react in order to send the data into the node 2. So in this node 1, basically the data will be transferred collectively to node number 2 wirelessly up to 50 meters. In the node number 2, however, it will be act as transceiver, whereby the data gained from the node number 1 will be received and sent to the cloud via the Wi-Fi, which available at the Wi-Fi coverage zone nearer to the node number 2. So all the data will be sent to the KN IoT as to display purpose in the desktop headphone for monitoring those parameters. So these are the real product implementation which has been connected and located at the site. So we can see over here, this will be the piping for the hydroponic system, and this for the A and B fertilizer in order to feed the plantation. And this is the real picture showing that our staff is allocating the plant with and test the system. So speaking of the implementation level of our proposed product, so we bring all the prototype design devices and circuitry to the site for having a real implementation site at the Pertubuhan Kebajikan Villa Harapan. So for this reason, basically we have proved that ourselves is jumped from the level number 4 TRL to level number 6 TRL. For the commercialization potential, commercialization and publication status, we managed to publish 2 Elsevier alias Scopus level of publication, whereby we have 1 Scopus proceeding in our hand, and secondly we also have Scopus journal. Not to forget that we also have MOU with Villa Harapan, which was signed in the past few years. Speaking of the authenticity and novelty of this product uniquely direct node to node, or what we call so far as end-to-end communication wirelessly to transfer the data that will be collected by the sensors which has been mentioned earlier, pH, humidity and temperature. So via the pH sensor and DHT sensor, this basically solve the issues of no Wi-Fi coverage, or what we call it Wi-Fi dead zone. Secondly, the novelty of this project is the use of IoT platform via Wi-Fi signal in the Wi-Fi zone. So it could be extend to a wide range of application in the future. Uses and futures application from this product. So we are targeting to support agricultural field in order to smartly control other possible plantation types from a far location wirelessly by controlling through the apps. So secondly is for the food security field. So we would like to be ready for supporting the food quality and security for the Malaysian perspective. And the thirdly is to enlarge existing limited Wi-Fi dead zone areas, and also it will be applicable in various fields. Innovation, product impact, commercialization and society. So through this project, we provide a solution on the limited Wi-Fi zone, especially for the plantation field. We managed to reduce the cost up to RM60 ringgit per node compared to the LoRa solution devices. Thirdly, we managed to prepare a preliminary solution for multi-node wireless end-to-end IoT system, which presented by this figure, whereby this would be the existing one and this would be our future plan. So next, introducing the demonstration by our colleagues.
Okay, so this is the solution that I choose. Okay, so the solution make the relay to turn on or off, that will be connected to the fertilizer pump. So this is the transmitter and this is receiver. So transmitter, I choose to put in no Wi-Fi coverage, and for the receiver I choose to put in Wi-Fi coverage. So the communication between transmitter and receiver, it will be up to 50 meters.
Okay, with that note, thank you for all, and if you have any question, please email us as the email below. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.